way more videos like this during the season, a lot more. And hey, what is up folks, Honkers here. Today we're going to be doing a early season September hunt down here in Canada, Quebec. We're going to be hunting Canada geese that just opened today on the 6th of September. I've been scouting since yesterday for 10 a.m. I think we started. I finished at 7 p.m. So I've been scouting, trying to get permissions. It's been hard. We've been grinding a lot. Not a lot of birds. We scouted the whole region without finding any birds, and little did I know I had birds 15 minutes from my place. So I've got 150 birds in the feed. I asked permission today and I got permission. I'm gonna be probably hunting alone. The limit is 10 geese per man, but hopefully I get a one-man limit. As you guys can see, I'm in my truck. I got all my gear set up. I got my layout blind, my decoys, my calls. I'm getting everything prepared. It is early season, so I'm not expecting the big hunt, but for what I found, they've been there for about 2 to 3 days. So hopefully we shoot a couple. Hopefully we get lots of clips and lots of footage. It's gonna be a fun day. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll keep you guys updated. Woo! So this is my setup. In this field I got permission in. So the wind's kind of in my back right here. So I set it up, my layout blind right here, tugged in this brush. And my guess is, because there's this line here, this power line I can't shoot, so what I think is the birds are gonna come here from the river. They're gonna come like this, and they're gonna circle around right here to land right there, right in my decoys. Hopefully it works out. Right here. Well, my GoPro fell off my head. Got 3. All right, time to reload. We got him, boys. We got him. Yes, it worked. It's exactly what I wanted them to do. Perfect. It worked. So I go back in my blind and I'll shoot some more. All right, so you guys can see my plan worked. In one flock I got 3. My GoPro fell off my head, unfortunately. The wind's at my back, so I knew they would come from over there, the river, and they would circle around right here. They wanted to land there, and then they canceled it. They turned right here and came straight up right to me. I'm hunting with 3.5 inch Kent shell steel shot. This shit packs a punch, dude. They're coming. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my... Oh my God. This is the best hunt. Oh my God. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I'm done. I'm done. Limit. I'm done. I'm shaking right now. My heart is pounding. All right, time to pack up my stuff and leave. Woo! Look at that. There's a geese that just landed beside me. Look at him. This was the best hunt of my life that I've did on my own. Limit out down here in Canada, Quebec. 10 geese. This is awesome. It's the first time I actually do a limit out on my own. And this geese is still there. I don't know if you guys can see him. Go, 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 go. Run away. Oh, he just lands right there. Oh, whatever. I'll let him be. Wrap everything up so I can leave them roost here. That's my limit. 10 Canada geese. That's my limit. Down here in Quebec, Canada for September. Opening day. And I got my limit. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment below. What do you guys think? And we're gonna be posting way more videos like this during the season, a lot more. And I wanna say a big thank you to the owner who let me hunt on his land. This was a perfect spot. I've been scouting it for a couple days now, so thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.